So today's lesson is practicing our skills from lesson 9.5. Just a reminder that volume is the area of the base times the height. All right, so a couple of you guys were taking perimeter and surface area yesterday, so it's actually less work than what we've been doing. And you just have to remember what that actually means again. So our base would be a two-dimensional shape, right? So on our first prism there, the base would be the prism on the surface of the bottom, and then what volume is doing is telling you that you're multiplying it up times 4.1 there. All right, so it's length times width times the height. All right, so that's all you need to do on that one. All right, you just have to be familiar with your other shapes. All right, so we have our triangle, and again our triangle formula is 1/2 base times height. And don't forget that the triangle is the base, and then that 10.5 would be the height of the shape if it's rotated, if it's tipped, so it's on its side there. So don't be fooled by that. And the other place that there were mistakes yesterday were on the bases of the trapezoid. All right, so don't get fooled there. All right, so our base 1 plus base 2 formula means you look at the trapezoid itself again. All right, so look at that separately, and so our first base is there and our second base is there. So take a look. Again, it's not there because they want you to think, what is that shape on the top? It is a rectangle, and opposite sides are equal. All right, so the 6 is the same as the base there, and then my second base would be 8. And then the height of my trapezoid is the 5. It's not the 3 over there, so some of you guys are using that number. No, it's only the trapezoid itself. So going on, we have another triangle there. And I changed up the problem a little bit here. All right, it's talking about marbles. All right, I decided to take that part out. I just want you guys to find the volume, practice that strategy, find the volume of both shapes, and then find the total volume. All right. So again, just calculations today, a little bit more challenging for some because you have decimals, but you'll be able to use a calculator to check your work if you need, and make sure again you're showing those different steps. So the multi-step parts, trapezoid, you should have these parts separated, and especially down below, not just showing one number as your answer, but showing how you get there. And it helps because it helps me see where you might have gone wrong in the process. Any questions, let me know, and we'll move on from here.